Guys, so today we'd be learning how to make the famous street food called Anda-Shaami burger. We'd need a few very simple ingredients to make this dish, so let's start. For homemade Anda-Shaami burgers, we'd need these homemade chicken and lentils patty. You can use either chicken or mutton, lamb, whatever you prefer. These are homemade and I can add a recipe next time we make these at home. We make them and then freeze them. So we need a few eggs to make an omelette that we'd use when we assemble the burgers. I've added a few eggs, a bit of salt, chili powder, cumin seed, and a little bit of garlic powder as well for taste. And then for the sauces, we would need homemade chutney, which for that we'd need fresh coriander, mint, a few green chilies. These are not hot but really flavorful. A bit of Chaat Masala and some tamarind paste. We'd also need a bit of salad. We'd use some cabbage and onions. This is Chilli-Garlic Sauce and some mayo, in which I've added some garlic powder to give it some more flavor. And we'd use these long burgers. I'm using Don's Frankfurter burgers here, bread here, so you can get any that you like. You can even use the round buns. It's only up to your preference, but this is, you know, the authentic or the traditional way of making it. So in the next clip, I'll show you how we're going to make this chutney. See you in the next clip. You will also add a bit of water so that everything grinds really easily. And then we are going to add this to make some nice chutney. So all the components have been prepared. We have fried the kebabs. The omelette is ready. The salad, the chutneys. So that was the tamarind and mint coriander chutney that I showed you guys. The ingredients are, and yes, we've also toasted the buns in our oven. So now it's time to assemble. Just take one. Now there's no hard and fast rule to assemble it. So, but what I personally like is that what I do that first I spread this chutney here as much as you want, like no restriction. Then you break the kebab into two pieces. Look how lovely this looks. Place it like this. That's why I've worn the gloves, because I'm going to use my hands. Then what I do that I place the salad, because that way salad stays in place, and just let the extra fall, it's fine. Then I put a bit of egg. Now again, some people like more egg and some people like less. I'm not a big egg fan, so I prefer in mine a bit less, but this isn't the one I'm preparing for myself, so that's fine. So what I'm going to do next is that I'm going to spread some garlic mayo that I prepared myself on this, the other half of the bun. Now this part is optional. If you like, you can add chili garlic sauce. Some people prefer it without, but I like to give an extra zing to it, so I'm going to drizzle a bit on the top of the egg. Now we're going to put the other half on the top. Going to press it down a bit, and voila, that's done. If you like, you can cut in two pieces and then serve with homemade fries or frozen fries and any drink of your choice. So I'll show you the final final clip when I'm done preparing all of these. See you in the next clip. So this is the final look. I've made some homemade masala fries to go with these burgers. I also like to have some extra chutney on the side, but it's totally up to you. If you like, you can have with more ketchup or chili garlic sauce or any sauce of your choice. So I hope you guys give this recipe a try, and when you do, please take pictures and share them on Instagram and Facebook, and don't forget to tag me in your creations. I've mentioned my Instagram and Facebook handles in the description box below. I'm also going to put down all the ingredients in the description so that you can easily go and get the ingredients whenever you like. Do give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you can be notified whenever I post my next videos. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.